Maraming salamat, Kirby. Walang halong politika ang pagkaka-issue ng warrant of arrest para kay Pampanga Congresswoman Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Ayon sa palasyo, ebidensya at hindi politika ang pinagbatayan nito. Binigyang diin ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin La Cerda na walang kinalaman sa muling pagtakbo bilang Congresswoman ng Pampanga ang paghahain ng warrant of arrest para kay dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
When it comes to the case before the Sandigan Bayan, it will be litigated based on the evidence that the government will be presenting through the PCSO. So I think should be free from politics and should be solely based on the evidence that will be submitted.
Katulad ng pananaw ng Blue Ribbon Committee ng Senado na nag-imbestiga sa anomalya sa pondo ng PCSO, naniniwala rin ang palasyo na may probable cause ang pag-issue ng Sandigan Bayan ng warrant of arrest para kay Congresswoman Arroyo. Ganun man, pinauubaya ng Malacanang sa kinauukulang otoridad ang paghawak sa kaso.
It's a decision rendered by the Sandigan Bayan. We respect whatever decision they issued. It just shows that the government through the PCO has presented a case which has probable cause. And so we leave it with the ombudsman to prosecute the case. They themselves have found a prima facie case against the on the former president and the officials of the PCSO.
Tumanggi ring magkomento ang palasyo kung paano mangakampanya si Mrs. Arroyo gayong muli na naman siyang bumalik sa Veterans Memorial Medical Center.
Well, that we leave that entirely with the former president. As to the state of her health, if she is capable of campaigning on a daily basis, we cannot speculate on the condition of the former president.
Sa Veterans Memorial Medical Center, inisyu ng PNP-CIDG ang arrest warrant. Kaugnay ng kanyang hospital arrest sa kasong electoral sabotage. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.